On the channel Danaya Kuajibo Garib Raz, we will show you the secrets of the world that very few people know. Watch videos about mysterious places, rare animals, ancient history, and strange natural realities. If you are interested in these secrets of the world, then subscribe to our channel and fill your mind with wonders. The 5 most mysterious killers in the world. Assalamu alaikum, respected listeners. Today we are going to tell you the stories of the world's most mysterious killers whose crimes could never be solved. These are the dark deeds that shook the entire world. Some of these killers were never caught, while about some only speculations can be made. Today we will talk in detail about these 5 killers. Jack the Ripper, the terrifying killer of Victorian London. The Zodiac Killer, America's most famous unknown killer. The Black Dahlia, the tragic murder of Elizabeth Short. The Hunter, Australia's mysterious serial killer. The Dismemberer, Japan's most horrifying unknown killer. 1888 London. The darkest chapter of the Victorian era. Jack the Ripper, that unknown killer of history who in only a few months brutally killed at least 5 prostitutes. His methods of killing were extremely merciless. Most of the victims had their throats slit, their bodies ripped open down to the bladder. The most astonishing thing was that the killer wrote letters to the police in which he described his crimes in detail. In one letter he even foretold about his next victim. But surprisingly, this killer was never caught. Till today, hundreds of suspects' names have come forward, but the true killer's identity remained a mystery. In the late 1960s, in Northern California, another mysterious killer spread terror. The Zodiac Killer killed at least 5 people, while some experts believe his victim count could be as high as 37. This killer's specialty was that he used to send details of his crimes to newspapers. He also sent a code which people are still trying to solve today. In 2002, a man claimed that he himself was the Zodiac Killer, but a DNA test proved his claim false. This case till today is America's biggest unsolved serial killer mystery. On the morning of January 15, 1947, in Los Angeles, the body of a young woman, Elizabeth Short, was found in a deserted place. Her body had been cut into 2 parts, her face mercilessly disfigured. The circumstances behind her death remain a mystery to this day. The killer had drained all the blood from Elizabeth's body. More than 50 people gave false confessions about her death, which made the investigation even more complicated. Till today, no culprit ever came forward for this murder. In the 1980s, in New South Wales, Australia, a mysterious killer murdered at least 7 people. This killer would shoot his victims, then arrange their bodies in strange ways. With some victims he treated them like playing a game. The police never caught this killer. In 2005, a man committed suicide and in his note confessed that he was the hunter, but his claim could not be confirmed. From 2000 to 2005, in different areas of Japan, a mysterious killer murdered at least 10 people. This killer would cut his victims' bodies into different parts and throw them in public places. The most horrifying thing was that the killer confessed to cutting off the heads of some victims and eating them. Japanese police called in thousands of suspects for investigation, but the real killer never came forward. Respected listeners, today we listened in detail about these 5 most mysterious killers of the world whose crimes could never be solved. These are the dark stains that have been engraved forever on the pages of human history. Do you think the identity of any of these killers will ever be discovered? Will modern scientific methods be able to solve these mysterious crimes? Do let us know your opinion. Next time we will be back with another mysterious topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and remember, sometimes reality is even more terrifying than fiction.